afternoon, South Africa. Welcome to Afternoon Express. I'm Bonnie Mbuli.
I am Danilo Acquisto, and it's so great to be with you this afternoon. I hope your day has been fabulous.
Today is a Thursday, so it's all about fashion and beauty in the loft today. So first up, we talk about the fact that so many people do want to improve the way that they look, but they don't want to go for surgery or go under the knife. So we give you alternatives to that. And then we talk about how to take care of a dry and itchy skin, especially in winter.
Indeed. It's going to be a jam-packed show. And speaking of being jam-packed, all right, we're making scones on the show today.
Scones.
So if you're one of those tea lovers, we'll be making a delicious scone in the kitchen on the loft. But also, speaking about all these things fashion on a Thursday afternoon, I've got such cool guests to introduce to you on the show today. First of all, we're going to be speaking about sustainable fashion. You might be wondering if you're one of those guys or girls who wants to go and study fashion in the future and wondering what's going to be your next career opportunity. It's going to be in sustainable fashion, and we're having that conversation with the first ever African sort of retail here in South Africa, which is really cool. So we're talking about that on the show. Plus also, if you're looking for the top trends for men in the coming sort of spring-summer season, we're going to be bringing you all of those fashion trends right here on the show. And if that wasn't enough, if you're one of those people who perhaps is looking for ways to dress modestly but beautifully at the same time, we've got an image consultant coming to join us in the loft to take us through some really cool looks. Indeed.
Absolutely. Now that we're speaking men's fashion, what men's fashion faux pas do you hate the most?
Oh no, the thing I hate seeing on men is, you know when they wear those, you wear your jeans all the way down, and I know you probably do this at home, you wear your jeans down, right, and they touch the floor, and then you like step on the end of it all, and then it starts to like fray at the bottom, and it collects dirt and dust.
And it gets all muddy.
No.
And it collects insects sometimes.
Please, roll up your pants, roll them up. All of those details will be coming up later on in the show.
Now, the contour of the neck is a crucial feature of your facial aesthetics and can make you look younger, whereas loose and saggy muscle does the opposite. Aesthetic pioneer Dr. Anushka Reddy gives advice on what to do about the unwanted skin around your neck area. She specializes in less invasive and non-surgical solutions. So if you want that youthful appearance that you're scared of a facelift, this is for you.
When it comes to anti-aging beauty regimes, the neck can be the most difficult area to deal with, yet is often given the least attention. Neck treatments tend to be less effective, which is why celebrities with younger-looking faces, thanks to surgery, often reveal their true age in the neck. The 4D thread lift is the first of its kind in South Africa, combining the PDO threads with the silhouette soft threads, achieving the ultimate in non-surgical shaping and volumization of the neck, in addition to lifting and contouring the jawline.
My name is Wilma Senekal. I'm 64 years old. I'm a mother, grandmother, and a very hectic schedule. I've come to see Dr. Reddy today. I really would like to get rid of this loose skin around my neck that was always bothering me.
Neck skin tends to age much faster simply because there's loss of elasticity at a much quicker pace than what happens in the face. And also, there's very little fatty tissue in the neck. The muscles in the neck, which causes the neck to turn around, also, this is a stressful factor on neck skin, and that's the reason why skin on the neck tends to age much faster.
The results I would like to see is to tighten my neck a little bit so that I can have more confidence and feel good and a little bit younger, hopefully.
The best non-surgical fashion to tighten neck skin for me would be to use threads, which has tiny little cones on it. We insert the threads into the skin, we pull the threads, and that helps to actually tighten that crepey skin. However, this procedure is only suitable in certain types of patients. Once the thread is in, the skin latches onto the thread, and then we pull the skin back, and that's going to make quite a nice difference to the way your neck looks.
Dr. Reddy is very professional. She makes me feel very comfortable, and I always see good results.
The threads also stimulate collagen. So besides the tightening effect it has, in the next 6 weeks, you will have collagen formation around those threads. And that also offers tensile strength to the skin. And the combined effect will hopefully give you this nice smooth neck that you're looking for. The 4D thread lift, which I have conceptualized in my practice, is particularly popular simply because it affords patients an opportunity to have a neck rejuvenation process within their lunch break. And they want to look good, obviously, in the workplace, but they don't want the risk of anesthesia, nor do they want the downtime associated with surgery. And obviously, if they are the right candidate, then these type of procedures would actually work brilliantly for them.
The threads, does it stay inside?
Yes, threads are dissolvable, so they will remain inside you for between 6 to 8 months, after which time they will completely dissolve. and in place of the threads you will have collagen formation. So, and the effects usually last anything from 12 to 18 months.
I was a bit nervous in the beginning, but I'm fine now, and I'm very happy with the results. And she did a very good job.
I hope you're cringing as much as I'm at home, but look at that result. It looks amazing.
It does look amazing, but I mean, if I were to do anything like that, I'd want to be out completely.
Yeah, completely. Like, put me to sleep. I want jelly in the morning. I want all of that stuff. I just don't want to know what happened at all. Yo, it looks intense.
If you had to do a surgery procedure, what would you do?
So the one thing I've never wanted to do sort of aesthetic surgery. I don't think it's worth it for, obviously, I always want to make sure that natural is always better. So the only thing I would do is fix my septum. So I broke my nose twice playing hockey in high school, typical, and I've only got one nostril technically, so. Yeah, I've only got one nostril. It's always been like that, so I'd straighten my septum. And
Oh,
you?
that's incredible. Well, before I had a baby, my belly button used to be inside, so it was inverted. And then after I had a baby, it popped out, so I'd just pop it back in.
Oh my word, is that a thing? Oh, is that a thing? An outie, you
But
don't
I
want
wouldn't,
any.
no, you know, I actually probably wouldn't do it. I think I'm lovely just the way that I am.
You are, Bonnie. You're one of those beautiful people in South Africa. That's why you're in a loft, right?
If you wish to look more youthful and want to avoid undergoing extreme treatments, then the 4D thread might be a better solution for you. This innovation achieves the ultimate in non-surgical shaping and volumization. You can stand the chance of winning a 5,000 Rand Medi-Sculpt treatment voucher. All you need to do is go onto the Afternoon Express Facebook page and tell us why you deserve to win, and make sure to use the hashtag Medi-Sculpt. Next week, we take a look at various treatment options to prevent your hands from aging. Your beauty guide every Thursday right here on Afternoon Express. Make sure to follow Dr. Anushka Reddy on Instagram for the latest updates in aesthetics treatments.
So Bonnie was talking about innies and outies just now, and so we're going to go outie, and when we come back, innie, we're going to be speaking about the effects of cortisone, as well as how Medi-Sculpt can help you avoid them. Stay right where you are.